What if luxury met the road in a way never seen before? Imagine gliding across continents inside a masterpiece of engineering, where German precision, futuristic design, and absolute comfort come together. Introducing the upcoming legend of the road, the 2026 BMW Double-Decker Motorhome. From the very first glance, the front exterior of the 2026 BMW Double-Decker Motorhome stands as a breathtaking fusion of futuristic artistry and iconic BMW DNA. Dominating the prow is an enlarged, vertical interpretation of the legendary kidney grille. More sculpted, more expressive, and finished in deep piano black with brushed aluminum surrounds that shimmer under daylight. Flanking this statement grille are ultra-slim adaptive LED matrix headlights, crowned with intricate laser light elements that not only illuminate the road ahead with surgical precision, but also deliver a dramatic light signature recognizable from miles away. As we transition to the rear, the design language remains unmistakably futuristic, yet deeply rooted in BMW's heritage of dynamic elegance. Stretching across the back is a bold, full-width LED light bar that connects two sharply sculpted taillights, each with L-shaped elements that echo BMW's signature lighting motif. The rear glass panel is dramatically vertical, seamlessly integrating with the towering double-decker architecture. At its heart, a prominent illuminated BMW roundel floats under the glass, acting as both brand signature and nighttime beacon. Step inside the cockpit and you're greeted by a driver's environment unlike anything else. A fully digital dashboard stretches from end to end, featuring BMW's newest iDrive system, holographic displays, and AI-assisted controls. Leather-wrapped steering with subtle illumination and ergonomic seating ensures the driver enjoys the same luxury as the passengers. Moving into the heart of the motorhome, the living space embodies a modern luxury lounge. Plush captain chairs, ambient LED lighting, premium materials like brushed aluminum and real wood, and panoramic windows turn every trip into a five-star experience. In the rear section, the bedroom is designed for absolute rest. A king-sized bed with BMW branded pillows and ultra-soft linens ensures you sleep as you would in a luxury suite. Large windows bring in natural light, while smart privacy glass keeps it intimate at night. A modern kitchenette comes complete with an induction cooktop, built-in microwave, designer sink, and a spacious fridge, all styled in BMW's minimalist design language. There's even a smart coffee machine for that perfect morning brew. Compact yet functional, this kitchen brings gourmet possibilities wherever you travel. Under the futuristic exterior, the 2026 BMW Double-Decker Motorhome is rumoured to be powered by an advanced hybrid electric powertrain. Combining BMW's legendary straight-six turbo engine with dual electric motors, the system is expected to deliver smooth, silent cruising with instant torque. Given the scale of luxury and technology, experts estimate the starting price could range between $850,000 and $1.2 million, depending on customization and optional features. This is, after all, more than a motorhome. It's a private palace on wheels. Industry rumors and early prototypes suggest a reveal sometime in late 2025, with production models possibly hitting the road in early to mid-2026. BMW enthusiasts and luxury travelers alike are watching closely, eager to see how the brand redefines road travel.